Triangles क्या होता है? The figure formed by three line segment is called triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertex. Uh, Three sides of three angles of a triangle are called the six parts of or element of a triangle. Types of triangle based on three sides of the triangle can be classified as three parts: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. A triangle which is all the three parts are equal, isosceles triangle which is two sides are equal, scalene triangle, a triangle which is no sides are equal. Bases of the angles of triangle can be classified into three parts: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. A triangle each of whose angle measures less than 90 degrees is called acute angle triangle. A triangle whose angles measure than 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. Absolute angle triangle, obtuse. And a triangle one of whose angle measure more than 90 degree and is called obtuse angle triangle. Properties of triangle. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, द सम ऑफ द एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. यहाँ पे आप इसका देख सकते हो. हेंस द सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. ये इसका फॉर्मूला, ये क्या बोलते हैं, इसका डेरिवेशन है, तो इसको आप नोट डाउन कर लेना, समझ लेना. A triangle cannot be more than one right angle triangle. A triangle cannot be formed more than the one obtuse angle, and in an right triangle the sum of the two acute angle is 90 degree. Exterior angle property. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior angle absolute in it. Corollary क्या है? An exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the either of the interior opposite angle. Some terms related to the triangle. Medians. In the medians of a triangle corresponding to any side of the line segment joining the midpoint of the side which is the opposite of vertex. In figure, D, E, C are the midpoints of the side BC, AC, and AB of triangle ABC. AD is the median corresponding to the side AC. BE is the median corresponding to the side ACA. CF is the median corresponding to the side BA. Centroid क्या होता है? The point of intersection of all the medians of a triangle is called centroid. It's called its centroid. In figure, the medians AB, AD, BE, CF of triangle ABC intersect at the point G. So the G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Altitude क्या होता है? Altitude. The altitude of a triangle corresponding to any side of the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex of that side. The side of the which is perpendicular to being drawn is called its base. AI is the altitude, AL is the altitude, and BC is the base. BM is the altitude and AC is the base. CN is the altitude and AB is the base. A triangle has three altitude. Orthocenter, a point of the intersection of all three altitude of a triangle is called orthocenter. In figure, the three altitude AL, BM, CN of triangle ABC intersect at a point H. So H is the orthocenter of triangle ABC. In center of a triangle, a point of intersection of the internal bisector of the angle of a triangle is called incenter. In figure, the internal bisector is I, and I is the incenter of triangle ABC. That ID perpendicular BC, then the circle which is center I and radius ID is called the incenter of circle ABC. Triangle ABC. Circumcenter of a triangle. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of the side of a triangle is called its circumcenter. In figure, the right bisector of the side a triangle ABC intersect at O. Therefore, O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC, with O is the center and the radius is equal to the OA is equal to BC is equal to OC. We draw a circle passing through the vertex of the given triangle. This circle is called the circumcenter of the triangle ABC.